Hi. Bring your bucket over here. Here, I'll help you. Oh, did you get it stuck? Here you go. Oh, let's get it up the bump. Okay. Whoa, that was a good turn. Yeah. I'm following you. Keep on going. Woo! You tipped the bucket. You're okay. Yeah, stand up. You got it. Yeah. Okay. Okay, I'll go in front of you. Come on. What is it, dancing music? Had to stop for a little dance. Whoa, that's weird music. Yeah, who knows? Kids these days, what are they listening to anyways? Whoa, nice turn. Hi. Here. Come on, come on, come on. Come over here. Gah. Oh yeah, step for a little dance. Okay, let's go this way. Come on. Come on. Come in the kitchen. Oh, there you are. You need help up the bump? Yeah. Oh. Whoa. Yeah. Here, hold on. Let's slide it. Okay. Whoa. Oh, stop for a little dance. Good dancing.
Come on. Come on. Good job. Good job. Come on, Owen. Come over here. Yeah. Say hi, Owen. Hi, Nayo. Whoa. Oh, hi. Oh, hi. You watch out, Nayo. Come on over. Hi, baby. Hi. Good job. Night-night. Good walking. Where are you going to go now? Are you going to go down the hall? You going to go without me? Okay, see you later. Hi. Where are you?
How about this?
Because I pulled the camera out. Do you want to go get the cup? Go on. Go on, you can go do it. Yay! Do you want to come? Do you want to come back over here to me?
Go see Mama. You want to see Mama?
Come see. Come here. Yay! Good job.
Hey, little walker, what are you doing? That's going to be a big step. Oops. Here, come over here. Okay, come off this step. Come on, you got it. Okay. Okay, you got it? Okay, come over here with me. Good job. You are such a good walker. Don't trip on the rope. Owen. Oh, you're doing so good. Come over here to the garden. Come on. Oh, good.